Hello everybody and welcome to Storytime with me, Miss Anna. So lovely to see you all here again. I really hope that you enjoyed today's story. It's from one of my favorite authors and it is Julia Donaldson. And she wrote this story and Rayner illustrated it. So that means she drew all the pictures. And the story is called The Go-Away Bird. I love the expressions on their faces. Look at those. And I'm sure we're going to love the words. The Go-Away Bird. The go-away bird sat up in her nest with her fine grey wings and her fine grey crest. She looks very proud. Oh, regal. Oh, yes, I like that. Yes. But she also looks a bit, grumpy. A little green bird flew into the tree. I'm the chit-chat bird. Will you chat with me? We can talk of the weather and other things like the colour of eggs and the aches in our wings. But the go-away bird just shook her head. And what do you think she said? Let's see if you're right. She did. Go away! Go away! Go away! I don't want to talk today. You're much too chatty. You're oh so scatty. Just the sound of you drives me batty. So listen to what I say. Go away, go away, go away. A little red bird flew into the tree. I'm the peck-peck bird. Will you eat with me? There are juicy berries on every twig. We can peck, peck, peck till we both grow big. But the go-away bird just shook her head. And what do you think she said? Go away! Go away! Go away! I don't want to eat today. Your eyes are beady. You're much too greedy. Just to look at you makes me seedy. So listen to what I say. Go away, go away, go away. She must be quite lonely, right? A little blue bird flew up to the tree. Can you see? She's so tiny. She flew up to the tree. I'm the flip-flap bird. Will you fly with me? We can spread our wings. We can soar up high. We can cartwheel all through the bright blue sky. But the go-away bird just shook her head. And what do you think she said? Go away! Go away! Go away! I don't want to fly today. You're whirly and whizzy and much too busy. Just the sight of you makes me dizzy. So listen to what I say. Go away, go away, go away. Almost looks like she's She's shouting it like that. Oh my goodness. He's a bit bigger than the others. A brown bird hovered above the tree. "Good day. I'm the get-you bird," said he. "I see I'm in for a special treat. You're the very bird that I want to eat." But the go-away bird just shook her head. What do you think she said? "Go away! Go away! Go away! I don't want to be your prey today. I'm feeling weary. You're much too scary. The situation is getting hairy, so listen to what I say. Go away, go away, go away." But the get-you bird said, "Now that I've met you, I'm going to get you, get you, get you." He means business. Uh-oh. Then a yellow bird waddled towards the tree. So now let's have a look. There's the go-away bird. Here comes the get-you bird. Then a yellow bird waddled towards the tree. "Hello, I'm the comeback bird," said he. He opened his bill and began to quack. "Come back! Come back! Come back!" What is going to happen here? The suspense. Oh my goodness. Guess what he shouted? "Come back, come back, come back." And back flew the others. 1, the little green bird. 2, the red bird. 3, the little blue bird. All the way back to the tree. What do you think is going to happen next? Let's see if you're right. I hope you're right. Oh my goodness! And the 5 little birds all rose together. A noisy mob of fluff and feather. Red, blue, yellow and green and grey. Look at them. Look at the get-you bird. Look at his face. Oh my goodness, he looks nervous. And they chased that brown bird far away. Then the go-away bird hung down her head. And what do you think she said? I think you're right. "You can stay, you can stay, you can stay. I do want some friends today. Let's start playing, no delaying. Let's get hopping and hip hip hooraying. Nobody go away. You can stay, you can stay, you can stay." The end. We all need our friends, and we need them even more when we're in trouble. I hope you enjoyed that story. Have a lovely week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.